So you want to drive manual, right? But you're scared to end up like this. So let me show you how to drive manual. I mean, you're still going to end up like this, but only in the beginning. Let me show you. So let's start with the basics. You might notice there's three pedals: the clutch, the brake, and the gas. But you only have two legs. If you're a man and you're lucky enough, you can use your third one. But for the others like me, you'll need to move your feet around. This is your gear shift. The neutral position is in the middle, where you can shake it. When you want to park your car, you put your car in neutral and pull the handbrake up. To start the car, make sure your car is in neutral, handbrake up, and press the clutch. Then insert the key and start the car. The first thing you want to do is to find the friction spot on your clutch. To do that, it's very simple. Keep the handbrake up, press the clutch, and put your car in first gear. Then you slowly release the clutch until you feel the car wants to start moving. When it does that, press the clutch all the way in, and then you start again. And you do that a couple of times. You won't burn your clutch, you won't do anything. To start moving, what you want to do is the clutch is pressed, and then you slowly release the clutch. Now your foot is on the brake, and then you release the brake when you feel the friction point, really important, and then the car wants to move. So you keep slowly releasing the clutch and pressing a little bit of gas until you're moving. Don't go full throttle, don't do that. You'll just go slowly. Doesn't need much gas, it will go straight away. So now you're driving, and you need to switch gear. You want to be cool. Okay, what you want to do, you slowly release the gas and press the clutch as you release the gas. Then you're fully clutching, make sure you're fully in. Then you take your palm on the shifter and you towards you, you're in second. Now you want to go in third because you're a fast driver. Push with your palm the shifter until it reaches neutral. You let go, you don't push too much, and then you keep pushing until you go to third. Fourth is straight down, so fifth. Now if you have a sixth gear, it's you keep your palm like this because you don't want to miss shift in fourth, and then you just click. That's it. Now you're changing gear. Now you need to stop, obviously. I mean, you can just go run into the other car in front of you, but I like to keep my car in one piece. Now to stop, what you do, there's two techniques. Really simple one is you're driving, you're accelerating, and then what you do is you slowly release the gas and press in the clutch, and then you put your car in neutral, it's always easier, and press the brake. That's it. Always keep your foot on the clutch, that's important. Or the other technique, when you get used to the first one and used to driving manual on the street, you can do that, is you're accelerating, so now you slowly release the gas, and then you start pushing the brakes until your RPMs drop, and before it goes too low and you die, you press the clutch. The first technique is as good when you just start to learn. That way you don't have to overwhelm your brain into thinking, oh, I need to do that. You just release the gas, press the clutch, start braking, you're sure your car won't die. You do that on the beginning, and then you can start to the second technique where before reaching for the clutch, you can actually start braking a bit. And that's it. Now you drive manual, bro.